Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the Vivofit Junior. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove it from the band. So here we go, it's the Garmin Vivofit Junior. It's got 4 screws, so you will need a screwdriver and just remove the screws. It's a Phillips head screwdriver, so let's just open this. I do have the replacement batteries. I will show you which one you will need and the type. Let's just open this up. Okay, once these 4 screws are removed, you see that it expands a little bit, which definitely means that it's not waterproof. Make sure you don't put it in water. And here you go, that's the battery. So the one that is in here at the moment is the Panasonic CR1632. It's 3 volts. I bought these T-Power brand. Just replace it like that. Sure, yep, it's coming on already. Let me put the screws back on. And then all you need to do is just make sure it resyncs with the app. Third one. And the last one. So before you put it back in the band, just make sure it's working. There you go. The time is incorrect. So what we'll do now is we'll have to sync it with the app. Let me show you how to do that. Start the Vivofit app. Now what you've got to do is pair it again. For some reason it has lost the pairing connection. So now it's looking for a nearby device. You have to select which device it is. So I'm going to go with Vivofit. So select that one. You also have to hold on to the button on the Vivofit Junior so that it syncs. So just hold on to that. And there you go, it's paired now. Just make sure the numbers are correct and then hit OK. And now it's pairing. And once it's pairing, you need to select all the settings again. So select the step icons. This shows you the progress. So let it run. And once it's done, the time will update and you'll do one last note. Tap on enable and exit setup. So the process has been completed. You can start now wearing the band, and the information will be synced across. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.